Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to find the particular integral or YP. If you remember, there were two things. We've already learned how to find the CF. Now we're going to learn how to find the PI. So there are two methods on how we can find the PI. So the first method is called method of undetermined coefficients. So in this method, what we do is we assume our YP depending on our RHS. For example, if our equation is this is the general equation that we have been using. Let's say our function on the right side is fx. So we're going to look at fx and we're going to assume a YP. So let me draw a table for a few examples. So for example, if your fx is a constant, then you are going to assume your yp also as a constant. If your fx is e raised to the power ax, then you are going to assume yp as constant multiplied by e raised to the power ax. Now keep in mind this a and this a are different, but this a is the same as this one, alright? Now if you have sine ax or cos ax, you're going to assume a cos ax plus b sine ax. Sine and cos always go together, so if you have even this, you're going to assume the whole thing. You need both sine and cos. The next one, let's say you have a linear polynomial in x. So assume ax plus b. If you have a quadratic polynomial in x, assume ax square plus bx plus c. So this is the basic, but what if you have two of these multiplied together? For example, if you have this and this multiplied together. For example, e raised to ax multiplied by sine bx. So what you're going to do, you're going to take this and you're going to combine them just like these are combined. So a into e raised to ax times b cos bx plus c sine bx. Now the thing is, here there are three constants, but if you multiply this a inside, it will create an entirely new constant. So you do not actually need this capital A. So you can just write it as e raised to ax, a cos bx plus b sine bx. So we're going to practice some questions so we can get the hang of this. So let's start. So y double dash minus y is equal to 2. So as you know, the right hand side is a constant. So what do? We assume another constant. So let yp be a. Now yp is supposed to satisfy this equation. So what we're going to do, we're going to find yp double dash and we're going to plug it in this equation so we can find out what a is. So yp dash will be 0 as a is a constant, and yp double dash will again be 0. So what do we get? We get 0 minus a is equal to 2. So a is equal to minus 2. So your answer is yp is equal to minus 2. Let's take another example. Y double dash minus y is equal to e raised to 2x. So when it's e raised to ax, we assume a times e raised to ax. Keep in mind the a are different. So let's assume yp is equal to a into e raised to the power 2x. Whatever you have over here, you're going to take over here. So yp dash is 2a e raised to 2x. Yp double dash is 4a e raised to 2x. So let's plug it into this equation. 4a e raised to 2x minus a e raised to 2x is equal to e raised to 2x. So what do you get? You get 3a e raised to 2x is equal to e raised to 2x. So you can cancel this. 3a is equal to 1, so a is equal to 1 by 3. So your answer is yp is equal to 1 by 3 e raised to 2x. Let's take one last example. Y double dash minus 2y dash minus 8y is equal to 4 cos 2x. So here you can see that this is an entire equation, and here we were just finding the yp. Now if you have to solve for y, so you need both yc and yp. So let's start. So d square minus 2d minus 8 is equal to 0. Replace d with m square minus 2m minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is m minus 4 times m plus 2 is equal to 0. So m is equal to 4 and m2 is equal to minus 2. So your CF is c1 e raised to 4x plus c2 e raised to minus 2x. So this is us finding the CF. Now let's find the PI. So the RHS is 4 times cos 2x. So what are we going to assume? We're going to assume a cos 2x plus b sin 2x. Now let's differentiate this. Yp dash is, as you know, the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, and you'll multiply with 2. So minus 2a sin 2x plus 2b cos 2x. Now let's differentiate it again to get yp double dash. It's minus 4a cos 2x plus minus 4b sin 2x. So now we have these three. We're going to plug it into this equation. The equation is yp double dash minus 2 yp dash minus 8 yp is equal to 4 cos 2x. Now you need to be very careful when you're writing these equations. So what do you get? You get minus 4a cos 2x minus 4b sin 2x minus twice of minus 2a sin 2x plus 2b cos 2x minus 8 times a cos 2x plus b sin 2x is equal to 4 cos 2x. Now let's simplify this. It's minus 4a cos 2x minus 4b sin 2x plus 4a sine 2x minus 4b cos 2x minus 8a cos 2x minus 8b sine 2x is equal to 4 cos 2x. Minus 4a cos 2x minus 8a cos 2x, that's minus 12a cos 2x minus 4b sine 2x minus 8b sine 2x is again minus 12b sine 2x plus 4a sine 2x minus 4b cos 2x is equal to 4 cos 2x. Now since we have our RHS in the form of cos 2x, we're going to take cos 2x as common. So we have minus 12a minus 4b, and let's take sine 2x as common. Minus 12b plus 4a is equal to 4 cos 2x. So now the coefficient of cos 2x on this side and this side have to be equal. Hence minus 12a minus 4b is equal to 4. So what do we get from here? We get minus 3a minus b is equal to 1. So 3a plus b is equal to minus 1. And the coefficient of sine 2x on the RHS is 0, and over here it is this. So again they have to be equal. So minus 12b plus 4a is equal to 0. Again divide this by 4, you'll get a minus 3b is equal to 0. So a is equal to 3b. Now you have two equations and two variables, so we can solve this. Let's put a as 3b. 3 times 3b plus b is equal to minus 1. So that's 10b is equal to minus 1. b is equal to minus 1 by 10. Since a is 3b, it is minus 3 by 10. So your answer for yp will be minus 3 by 10 cos 2x minus 1 by 10 sine 2x. This is your yp, and earlier we calculated our yc. Now if you remember from the first lecture, y is equal to yc plus yp. So our final y is equal to c1 e raised to 4x plus c2 e raised to 2x minus 2x minus 3 by 10 cos 2x minus 1 by 10 sine 2x. This is your answer. So this was the first method on how we can find our yp. I will be covering the second method in the next video. So if you guys have any doubts, leave them in the comment section and I'll answer. Thank you.